Hi guys, today we are gonna bust or confirm a myth. Myth 2. If you press a walls crack, you will break your daddy's back. Let's do this.
Just joking.
So it's been busted.
Just joking.
Let's go. Go to this room. Go to that room.